Your equation is in the form y equals negative 2/3 x plus 1. So tell me your slope. Negative 2/3. That's your slope. And your y-intercept is positive 1. So what's your rise? Okay. Do you want to apply that negative into your numerator? Or you want to apply that negative to your denominator? Either way. Then that means that you can decide which approach you want to use. Okay. So if you apply your rise to your negative to your rise, then it's up to you then. Negative 2. How about your run? 3. You only apply the sign once. Do not apply it to both the rise and run. Okay? Because if you apply it to both the rise and run, then that means that you go down. You want to go down and then go left? No. You only apply your negative to any. You can apply it to your rise or you can apply it to your run, but do not apply your negative sign to both. Okay? So now let's plot your y-intercept. Your y-intercept is 1, right? So your y-intercept is 1. Where is 1? 1 unit. 1 unit up, starting from the point of origin. Here, since we applied the negative into your rise or the change in y. So the change in y, are you going down or up? It's negative, right? So you're going down how many units? 2. So that would be 1, 2, negative 2. And then run is positive, so you go to the right. That would be how many units? 3. 1, 2, 3. There, we stop there. And we can put the coordinates of that point now. And that would be 3, negative 1. And this point here where we started is your y-intercept 0, 1. Now you connect this. You connect that. And so we have this graph. We have this graph now. A straight line. And this is the graph of y equals negative 2/3 x plus 1. Let me put the run here. Well, let's see if we get the same graph. What if instead of applying your negative to your rise, you applied it to your run? Is that possible also? All right. Your rise is positive 2, but now you wanted to apply the run to, your negative to the run. Will you get the same answer? All right, you will get the same answer. The same graph, not the same answer, the same graph. So where's your y-intercept here? The y-intercept is this. So that means you count 2 units up. That'll be 1, 2, and then run 3 units to the left. This one is not so accurate, so let me connect this very, very accurately. Hopefully this one would be accurate now. Okay, let's see the difference there. All right, so when you rise, how many units? It will be 1, 2, and then run 3, not to the right, but to the left. 1, 2, 3, -3 here, +2 there. Now, if you connect these 2 points, you will get the same straight line, right? So that means that it's up to you when you want, where you want to apply your negative. But like I said, you only apply that to one of them. Do not apply to both for the negative result. So that's our graph here. You can get the same result, the same graph. So it doesn't matter where you apply your negative. But since you are using the rise over one, as if like you are writing the rise first, then maybe you can apply the sign in the rise. Okay? And just take note, when you rise, that means your rise should be positive. When you go up, right? When you go up, your rise is positive. When you go down, your rise is negative. So you follow that. You go up if it's positive, you go down if it's negative, you go left if it's negative, you go right if it's positive.